Ready to ditch the manual build and embrace automation for your Python projects? First things first, hop into your GitHub repository, where your Python project lives. This is where the magic will happen. Click on the Actions tab. It's where you'll define your automated workflows. GitHub might offer some suggestions, but we're going to build ours from scratch. So select Set up a workflow yourself. You'll land in the workflow editor and see a basic YAML file. This file is where you'll configure what GitHub Actions does. Think of it as a recipe for your build process. Give your workflow meaningful name like Python CI. Now, let's set up the triggers under on. Specify what events should kick off the workflow. For example, you probably want it to trigger whenever new code is pushed to your repository. Next is the job section, which defines the specific tasks to be executed. Each job typically runs on a specific environment, like a virtual machine. Here you configure things like the operating system to use, Python version, and what packages to install. Within a job, you'll define the steps. The first step is usually to check out your code following that. Set up steps to install your project's dependencies using pip. Then run linting tools like Flake and test framework such as PyTest or Unitas to validate your code. Finally, save your workflow file. GitHub will prompt you to commit the changes, so provide a descriptive commit message, and there you have it. Your automated build process is ready. And next time your code is changed, GitHub Actions will put your changes to the test.